Welcome dear students, class 7th, subject General Science, subject teacher Joshi SK. Lesson number 7, Motion, Force and Work, part 2. Let's learn about acceleration first. We have already studied about instantaneous velocity and average velocity in our previous video. Change in velocity with reference to time is called acceleration. Acceleration is a vector quantity. When the velocity rises, the acceleration is positive, and when the velocity decreases, acceleration becomes negative. If velocity is not changed, then the acceleration becomes zero. Formula of acceleration is change in velocity upon time taken for change. So, of acceleration becomes meter per second square. You know that car or bus driver increases or decreases the velocity of truck or bus by means of the accelerator. And on a football ground, velocity of ball changes when football player exerts force on the ball. Also the direction of ball changes. Then we can say that acceleration takes place. The interaction that brings about the acceleration is called force. Due to force, there is change in the velocity of an object. Formula for force is equal to mass into acceleration, and force is vector quantity. Sir Isaac Newton studied the relation between force and acceleration for the first time. Newton's first law of motion. It tells us that if no force is acting on a body, its velocity will not change. The body will not show acceleration. If a body is stationary, it will remain stationary. And if it is in motion, it will continue moving with the same velocity and in the same direction until someone applies force on it. If the force acting on a body is zero, then its acceleration is also. Unit used to measure the force is Newton, and 1 Newton is defined as if 1 kilogram standard weight is placed on a surface with no friction and pulled it with an acceleration of 1 meter per second square, then the force applied is called 1 Newton. Now let's learn relationship between force, displacement and work. Look at the figure alongside carefully. A string attached to the wooden plank on a table is passed over a pulley and tied to a weight. On applying a sufficient weight, the block will be seen to move. When the block moves forward, we can say that it has been displaced. Due to the displacement, we say that the force has done some work. We can measure this work done with the help of formula force into displacement. The unit of work in SI system is joule, while unit of work in CGS system is erg. Force and displacement are vector quantities, while work is a scalar quantity. Let's understand how the work of 1 joule is done. If on a wooden block a force of 1 Newton is applied, and if the block is displaced by 1 meter, then the force has done 1 joule of work. Thank you.